What happened to Esti Polak? Tell mommy. What happened?
She broke her leg, and then she didn't know how to walk.
So she can't come to school?
Yeah.
How did she break her leg?
She's gonna go to the hospital, and soon the lady's gonna fix her leg.
But how did she break it? How did she get the boo-boo? What happened? She fell?
Yeah.
How did she fall?
She crashed.
A Yingala crashed into her? How did the Yingala crash into her? What happened?
She got blood.
Really?
Yeah.
And what did you sing for her? What did you sing for her?
We said, Beth. Tomorrow we didn't sing for her.
So what are you going to sing tomorrow for her?
We're going to sing, Faithful don't be sick, get well quick. Don't be sick, get well quick.
Wow. So now she can't walk, right? Soon she's going to be all better?
Yeah.
Wow. Did you make her a card? Did you color for her a picture?
No.
No? Are you having a graduation in school?
Yeah.
What type of graduation? All the mommies are going to come?
Yeah.
What are you going to sing? How does it go?
Graduation, no you say, no you say, no you say, that's what I do pray. And to the restoration, for restoration, 'cause we won't be there long. Anti-Russia, adoration, adoration.
That's what you're going to sing?
Adoration.
Okay, Rachel.